Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva like image editor cropper editor directly in browser using Next.js. So we are using the latest version of Next.js, as you can see, uh, Next 15 React 19. So both the latest versions we are using. So it's a Canva like image editor. So once you load the application, the interface looks something like this. So once you click the photo editor option, this so here you simply select whatever image file that you want to select. So after you select the image file, the image will show right in the live preview, and then on the left hand side you have all the options which are there. So this is the first option for cropping the image, and now for cropping the image you click this cut button. So this will actually crop the image for you. So here you select whatever portion that you want to crop and then click apply crop. Automatically the image will be cropped. You also have undo redo button is also there. So it's a full stack application in Next.js. If you are interested in purchasing the source code, the link is given in the description. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project. Each and every component is customizable. So you can just see here, I have written this project from scratch. So for building this, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, as you can see. Then we are running this project localhost. As you can see, it's also very easy for you to deploy this application as well. So the thing is simple. You simply select whatever image file that you want to. I've shown you the cropping operation. Then you have the adding text as an overlay. So once you click it, you have this option for adding text on top of the image. So here you can change the color as well, change the size as well. So now if you want to add text on top of the image, this will be a great thing. And once you make the changes, you click the download button. So it's a fully functional application similar to Canva. So you can edit your images, crop, add text as an overlay. Then we have this third operator, which is the annotator highlighting operator. So using this operator, you can actually draw with a pencil. This is a pencil tool. You can change the color, just highlight anything in the picture by this pencil tool. Then we also have the shapes as well. So you can just select any color of your choice. So you can even put emojis as well. And export options, you can also convert from one format to another. So PNG is selected, you can even export this to WebP image as well. So once you click this, all the image will be exported to WebP. So it's a Canva like image editor. It has all the features here. You will see that how easy it is. And once you purchase the source code, you will get all the source code. You will also get to see how I coded this project from scratch. So we have used quite a number of third-party libraries for this. So we are using Next.js, and we are also using Tailwind as well for the user interface. And I've shown you FFmpeg we are using. And we are running this project localhost. So if you want to deploy this after you purchase the source code, you can build out this project. So if you see the package.json file, we are having this build command. So you can simply run the command npm run build. This will actually compile everything into a. So this is really easy for you to compile this Next.js application. This Canva clone image cropper and editor. So once it compiles successfully, automatically all the you can actually easily deploy this. So it will take some time here for the build process to complete. So it's a fully fledged project. I shown you all the features here. You also have for embedding circles. Then we can even control the brightness, contrast level, saturation. You can also make the image black and white. So all the things are there for cropping images, adding text, using the draw operator as well. You can even change the properties of the image as well. So once you are happy, you click the download button. So once the build process completes, it will, you can see it's still doing it. It's a pretty large project in Next.js. So I coded this from scratch. So you can see all the files are coded inside TypeScript. So it's a fully fledged project. So in this way, once the build process completes, you can easily deploy this. So definitely check this out.